Once upon a time in a small, picturesque village, there lived a young boy named Daniel. Daniel was known for his curiosity and love of adventure. One day, while exploring the forest that bordered the village, he stumbled upon an old, weathered signpost. The signpost was covered in moss and seemed to have been forgotten by time. It had inscriptions pointing in different directions, each marking a different path. Daniel, intrigued by the signpost, decided to follow one of the arrows that led to the mysterious path of the ancients. As he walked along this path, he began to reminisce about the past. He thought about the stories his grandparents had told him about the village's history, the heroic adventures of his ancestors, and the struggles they had faced. The more he delved into the past, the less he paid attention to the present moment. His footsteps grew heavy as he got lost in his thoughts, and he barely noticed the beauty of the forest around him. Eventually, Daniel reached the end of the path. He had been so absorbed in his memories that he hadn't appreciated the journey. In front of him, there was only a plain, unremarkable field. He realized that he had missed the opportunity to discover new adventures and create his own stories. The past had served as a guidepost, offering valuable lessons and insights, but he had been hitched to it, unable to move forward. Daniel returned to the village with a newfound understanding. He appreciated the wisdom of the old saying, "The past is a guidepost, not a hitching post." It reminded him that while the past can offer guidance, it's essential to live in the present and look forward to the future, embracing new adventures and opportunities rather than getting stuck in the nostalgia of what once was.